This is how you back up your NCHS Google account using Google Takeout. You can access Google Takeout simply by Googling Google Takeout, or you can go directly to takeout.google.com. Here's what the page looks like. First, we recommend that you deselect All. That way, you can access only the account data that you really need to back up. Here are some suggestions for frequently used apps. Assignments is used by some courses in Schoology. Select Classroom if you want to back up anything from before the school system switched to Schoology. Most of the information you want to back up will be in Drive. You may store some information in Google Photos or in Keep. You also may want to back up your Gmail. Once you've selected everything you want to back up, click Next Step. We recommend that your delivery method be to send a download link via email. Export just the one time, and your file type is a zip file. A 2 GB file size is a good fit for most computers. Click Create Export, and now Google will create a zip file. Please be aware that depending on how much information you are actually backing up, this could take 2 minutes or several hours. When the file is created, you will receive an email with a link to that file. We recommend you forward that link to a personal email address, or that you download it directly onto a computer or a zip drive as a backup. Here are some things you should be aware of before you begin your Google Takeout. First, Google Takeout will provide you with a link to download your files. All Google files will become downloadable files. For example, a Google Doc will become a Microsoft Word document, and etc. That means formatting may be lost, and Google Forms will not be accessible. Also, if you are not the original owner of the file, you will no longer have access to it. There are alternatives to Google Takeout that will allow you to maintain the format and access to items in your Google Drive, including sharing documents with a personal Google account and making copies of original documents. However, Google Takeout is a no-risk option. It does not delete the files in your Google Drive, so we do recommend you do a Google Takeout no matter what. It's an excellent backup plan. Please be aware that depending on the size of your Google Drive and anything else you decide to back up using Google Takeout, the entire process could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about the process of backing up your NCHS Google account with Google Takeout, please contact your friendly school technology integrator.